Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to compare stocks on Yahoo Finance. So let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone or go to thefinanceyahoo.com on your computer. Make sure that you are logged in with your Yahoo account. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and enter the company name or ticker symbol of the stock that you want to analyze. Once you see the stock page, tap on it. When it opens, scroll slightly until you see the price chart. Here you can visually compare performance over the time. You can see different time options like 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 6 months and so on. Tap on any option to instantly change the chart and see how the stock performed during the time period. Now you can see the performance of the stock, which has performed better on the short term or within the long period of time by switching between the time ranges. And that's it. You have successfully compared the stock on Yahoo Finance using different time periods. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.